Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Explore with Floor, and thank you for tuning in and always supporting my YouTube channel. So today, for this video guys, we are going to Falling Branch Falls, right?
Yep, it's a waterfall in Maryland, northern part of Maryland, probably about 40-45 minutes from where we live. We were up here the other day. Apparently you need reservations for the weekend. We didn't know that. So now we're up here on a Friday where you don't need reservations. So this is about a, I don't know, about 20-25 foot waterfall here in Maryland. Some people know about it, locals know about it, but a lot of people don't know there's an actual waterfall here. I've been here a couple of times. It's pretty cool. A little bit of a hike to get there. But again, it's actually pretty cool and she's never seen it. So it'd be nice to see an actual waterfall. We're used to seeing those in the Philippines, but not so much here.
And I would like to thank Christian Filipina because if it wasn't the Christian Filipina, I wouldn't be able to travel like this in America. Yeah, also I can see some stuff here in the Americas. I always mention to Christian Filipina. We met back, 5 years ago.
About 5 years ago. And if it wasn't for that, her and I wouldn't have met. We wouldn't have this beautiful daughter. As she's been saying on a couple of these videos, if you're a Christian person looking to meet another Christian person with very similar moral values and all, and faith, Christian Filipina, we do recommend it because that's how we met. And you do find a lot of serious people looking for significant others on that site, and we hear a lot of success stories through that, and here's one of ours. So far we have a great success story, and we got this beautiful little thing here, this talkative little thing. So, but again, we just always want to thank that and highly recommend checking out that site if you're looking to meet somebody, mainly from the Philippines, obviously. I mean, I think Floor here has wonderful values.
So if you're interested guys to check or explore the Christian Filipino website, I will put the link in the description of this video. So
for now though, thank you for watching again, and I hope you enjoy this video. We're not going to try to show the waterfall on our hike back to it. So the water's going to be cold.
So thank you guys for always supporting me and my channel. She's talkative. Hi! You're so cute, baby.
Go over here. Okay. I want you to look. I mean, we can. Yeah, I got it. Look, little minnows.
What do you call that?
Minnows. Dinner for you. Did you hear me? Your size dinner. Abby. It'll get deep quick. This way. Put the belly away. Put the belly away. Alright, so Flor and Abby are down there swimming right now, and I'm going to go up to the top of the waterfall. So it's a slightly different path to get there. Behind me is where they are, and I basically got to go up and around, so it's not a hard thing to do. You just got to take a different path to get there. So again, that was the way we got there before. So now I'm going to go up and around. So basically I'm going up that way, and I end up top. So here we are at the Fil-Am branch. So the best part about me coming to places like this is being able to see Abby and Flor just enjoying life, enjoying themselves, So again, this is my favorite part. I love coming to places like this, but just to see the smile on their faces makes this all worth it.
Are ready to go home now, and but the water is cold. Yeah, we had fun.
It's a little cold, but not too bad. She's all excited right now.
Yeah, and she wants to touch the falls.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I hope everyone enjoy our video here.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and thank you for watching.
And God supporting bless. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, guys. God bless everyone.